A number of you have shown interest that you want to know how to wire wrap these florets. And basically, I thread it through some wire, and in the middle, I do a wire wrap like this. And the number of times I go around, I count so that I know how many I want to do on the other side as well, so that they would be the same length. So I'm just going to do that. Basically, I have this, I straighten it out, and then I shift the beads there, and I make it sure that it's tight. Tight as in they're centered, and I'm gonna make sure it's a lot easier to do it now than later to center it. And I make it as flush as possible, and then I twist the bottom, basically, like this. So then all I have to do on the other side is make my loop like this. I move one of the wires out of the way, and I make the loop. And this is the part where it's important to have counted the number of wraps on that side. And now I go around, and then I trim once I am at the right length. And you can adjust it a little later. Basically, there you have it. And if you were to use different sizes, you can actually have interesting patterns, really great for hanging. And if it is the case that you're hanging something off at the bottom, you don't even need to do that loop, and it's a lot easier. Then when you're connecting the next one, you do the loop and then connect and wire wrap from there, and you can continue that way.